is MEGAREVO and Product Engineer Doris, and this is G2 Series single-phase hybrid inverter LCD operation guideline videos.
Tap the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen, enter the default password 11111, and access the settings interface. Tap the last icon on the left sidebar to enter the generator settings interface. When the system needs to connect to a generator, check Gen Enable and Gen Charge Enable. Then tap the lower right corner to upload the configuration parameters to the control center. Return to the main screen. The grid icon will change to a generator icon. When a diesel generator is connected, the system assumes there is no grid by default. Once a grid is detected, the generator is automatically disconnected, and the grid icon is displayed again. The grid has higher priority than the diesel generator. Tap the generator icon to enter the generator real-time data display interface. This interface shows the generator's voltage, current, power, and frequency data. Disable the Gen Enable and Gen Charge Enable options. The icon will revert to the grid icon.
Thank you for your watching. That's all for this video. Contact us if you have any other technical problems. Go to megarevo.com. See you!